Hey guys, excuse me guys, I'll get you guys to move back, just so you don't want to encourage that.
ले लेके गए
There you go guys, just if you guys come out, I'll get you guys to go in if you're in the lab.
You have to stay away. You have to stay lazy. You have to stay back. Yeah, sit down and you can put your hands down.
There you go guys, just if you guys come out, I'll get you guys to go in if you're in the lab.
Look, people there. See? Daddy over there. Daddy.
Are we getting treat?
जी लो ऑर्डर टू बहुत क्लीन है How did you know ball? Pando di, kode, bad, bad. Only like a di. What I got on it. Okay.
Yana long foot hole.
Ui, mình nhau đón được. Đúng. Nên nó khi mà cái mèo mà mò là không này. Đó là mấy người lên lo tệ lấy vậy ông phải kia đi ăn chứ à?
Ôi là kid. Ôi là kid. Là bắt đầu phun rồi hả?
To remember mà so cái này cái so cái lấy quan là bù đi.
It's really this way. Go with the black. Now do you see it with the black?
As I said, camels are one of the most adaptable animals on the planet. Now their humps are all fat, enabling them to go for long periods of time without food or drink. Now for the baby, when I say baby, she is a couple of years old. Her name is Pansy, and their mum is nuzzled up to her, nice and cozy on the other side of her, which is red developed. Now you wouldn't know it by looking at them right now, folks, because they're quite adorable. But hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They can be very territorial. And I do encourage you folks, as you head around along the African Trail, we do also have 3 other girls in the other pond on the other side. And certainly if you are here in the afternoon, you do often see them in and out of the water and being quite active as a general rule. Thick coats which enable them to keep nice and warm, as they're an animal that doesn't actually hibernate. So that is the bison. Now we are seeing them separated, as the one that's by themselves has just had a procedure with our dedicated team of vets and keepers. So they just want to make sure she's woken up okay and she's doing okay, whatever they were. Now the males there are the ones that have the horns, and the females do not. They're quite beautiful.
你这地里。